Hey everyone, this is Barton Rubenstein, co-founder of the Mother Earth Project and Parachutes for the Planet. Across the globe, many of us now have the same dream. That is, to save the planet, to save their environment, and, as hard as it is to say, to save humanity. But first we need to know the facts and who we are up against. We now all know that we have only 10 years to reduce our global emissions by almost half. Otherwise, there will be irreversible changes to our planet. Postponing our actions can no longer be a part of the game. This is the science. The surprising part of human nature is that we have an amazing ability to adapt. History tells us we can change our behavior and global systems, and quickly. Yes, there is a way to live in harmony with our planet and thus survive as a species. But how do we win this game? We win by everyone playing their hardest, like they are the only one that can win the game for the team. This is a team sport, and only a team effort will produce the W. At the home front, that means we need to reduce our meat consumption, use renewable energy, and focus on the United Nations SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. In our neighborhoods, we must pass laws to support a sustainable future. Scientists for decades have provided all the data, graphs, and studies, and anyone hesitating to pass environmental laws simply doesn't realize that they are literally destroying their own children's futures. In our country, we must elect officials that are focused on carbon pricing, which is the most aggressive way to reduce carbon emissions. If we force polluters to pay for their pollution, then they will be financially incentivized to reduce their pollution. It's actually a simple idea that is now working in many countries. My final thought is we all need to voice our concern for the planet and vote. Staying quiet and accepting the futility is no longer an option. Millions of young people worldwide are now standing up and striking for a better future. They demand it, and adults should demand it too by voting for officials that will push hard for a sustainable future. Okay, now is the time to get out there and do your part. Nobody is effective on the sidelines. The whole team has to participate if we're going to win. Remember, no action, no future.